Electric cars are changing the way we think about transportation. With advanced technology and growing environmental awareness, more people are asking one question: are electric cars really worth it? Today, we're breaking down the major advantages and disadvantages to help you understand the full picture. Electric cars offer one of the biggest benefits the world needs today: cleaner transportation. They don't burn fuel, which means no harmful emissions from the tailpipe. This helps reduce air pollution and supports a healthier environment. For many drivers, this alone makes EVs a smart choice. Another big advantage is the running cost. Charging an electric car is often much cheaper than filling a tank with petrol or diesel. Maintenance is also lower because electric vehicles have fewer moving parts. No oil changes, no fuel filters, and fewer mechanical issues overall. Plus, many countries offer incentives, tax benefits, and discounts that make owning an EV even more affordable. Electric cars also deliver instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a quiet driving experience. For people who love modern features, EVs often come packed with smart tech, advanced infotainment systems, autopilot features, and seamless connectivity. But with all these benefits, electric cars still have their drawbacks. The first and biggest issue is charging. Unlike traditional cars, you can't refuel in minutes. Charging can take hours depending on the charger you have. Public charging stations are not available everywhere, and long trips require careful planning. For people living in apartments or without home chargers, this becomes a major inconvenience. Another disadvantage is the limited driving range. Although EV ranges are improving, many electric cars still can't travel as far as petrol or diesel cars on a single charge. In cold weather, the range can drop even more, which frustrates many drivers. Then there's the price. Electric cars are usually more expensive to buy up front. The battery is the most costly component, and replacing it later can also be expensive. Speaking of batteries, their production has environmental impacts of its own, including mining and manufacturing concerns. Finally, depending entirely on electricity can be risky during long power outages or in areas with unstable supply. In such cases, charging your car might become difficult. Electric cars are the future of transportation, but like any technology, they come with pros and cons. For some people, the savings, performance, and environmental impact make EVs the perfect choice. For others, charging issues, range limitations, and higher prices may be deal breakers. So what do you think? Are electric cars worth it for you? Let me know in the comments below.